Mkuu wa utumishi wa umma Waziri Felix Koskei alihudhuria, Gavana Mutahi alisema utoaji wa fedha za ugavi kwa wakati ni muhimu kwa kuendesha uendeshaji mzuri wa taasisi za elimu.
Principals will serve a lot if capitation don't get to schools on time. They have a huge number of BOM teachers they need to pay. It is my belief that we are going to have conversation so that capitation will be treated as fast charge in the same manner that we are paying pending bills. And each time we are dispatching as government, we'll be able to dispatch capitation in good time.
When we had that, the capitation for exams is not in the budget. That one is going to deny students from poor families to sit for exams. I ask that it be reinstated.
The government is committed and very keen to ensure that our children, those who are